The Voyage program has been designed for new associates who have little to no life insurance experience. The goal of Voyage is to help build a foundation of essential life insurance knowledge, cover the fundamentals of Pacific Life and the life insurance division, and foster a positive working environment by building peer groups. This information is meant to supplement the role-based training that in-team trainers will cover. Voyagers will experience a 4-week blended learning approach that includes virtual instructor-led classes, videos, e-learning courses, supervisor check-ins, and self-study activities. Each week will require about 4 to 5 hours of commitment from each participant. The Voyage website will house all the weekly activities and become a place to learn about the facilitators and other Voyagers. Each segment focuses on a new topic. The first component is a high-level introduction to the concepts of life insurance, risk mitigation, policies, contracts, and premiums. We will also discover the life insurance division VSIM and the roles and responsibilities of the departments. Component 2 focuses on the sales process, including marketing, communications, and distribution channels. Participants will learn how Pacific Life makes underwriting decisions and what's involved before a policy even gets to the policy owner. Component 3 is all about the life insurance products that we offer and service at Pacific Life. Do you know how many different product categories we sell? You will when you're done with this section. The last component explores what happens after a policy is in force. This is where we cover how we provide exceptional service to our policy owners, financial professionals, and our internal customers. So set sail with Life Division training and the Voyage program.